Redmi 8A Dual comes with 6.22-inch HD Plus dot-notch display with 1520 by 720 pixels resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio with 2.5D curved glass. This Redmi phone comes in 3 color variants: Midnight Grey, Sea Blue and Sky White. This new age mobile phone comes in 2 memory variants: 2GB RAM with 32GB internal storage and 3GB RAM with 32GB internal storage. Both are expandable up to 512GB. Redmi 8A Dual has dual SIM, both 4G with dual standby. The 6.22-inch capacitive touchscreen of Redmi 8A Dual features HD Plus dot-notch display. Redmi 8A Dual has 13+2 MP dual rear AI camera with PDAF, which lets you capture the whole scene. The 8 MP front camera lets you take elegant panoramic selfies. This smartphone runs on Android version 9 Pie operating system with 1.95 GHz Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 octa-core processor. The phone is powered by 5000 mAh lithium-polymer battery. The box includes handset, adapter, USB cable, warranty card, user guide, SIM insertion tool. Redmi 8A Dual comes with 1-year manufacturer warranty on phone and 6 months warranty for in-box accessories. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.